Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Giants. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to enable high performance mode on Windows, which will help in your CPU's productivity. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the search bar and type in Control Panel. Once you find the Control Panel, open it and go to System and Security. Here, go to the Power option on your fourth menu. Some might find the option of high performance right here, but in case you don't find it, you have to go to the Create Plan option. Here you will see the balanced recommended, the power saver and high performance. Click in high performance and press next. Here you can also customize your power plan, like turn off the display for a certain time or maybe put your computer to sleep. If you want to create this plan, then choose your options and then press create. Now you can see that brightness has been shut down a little. And this is how you enable or disable your high performance mode and make a custom change. So that's about it for today. Make sure to follow our channel Logging Giants for more helpful contents like this. Thank you for watching.